guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make two different kinds of coffee. Coffee is something that brings back loads of memories for me. I grew up at the Dominican Republic with my grandparents, and coffee is consumed 2 or 3 times a day, and we do a strong mixture and drink it black. In the morning you drink café con leche, which is a mixture of almost equal parts of milk and coffee, quite well sweetened, and then the rest of the day is just black coffee, hardly ever with milk. My grandfather used to put sugar in his cup and then pour his coffee and not stir it, and then when he was almost done with the coffee he would leave me the very bottom of it, and that would be my little treat. So I love a sweet coffee. Now when I went to Spain I discovered café bonbon, and café bonbon is a mixture of condensed milk, coffee and milk. So you put about 1/3 of condensed milk, and then we're going to add our coffee, and you want to make quite a strong mixture of coffee. Let me get a spoon. So you want quite a strong coffee, and you just pour it on the top, and then you top that up with the foam of the milk, which makes it look quite pretty, and it gives you this layered effect. The second coffee I want to show you is the Dalgona coffee, which has been going through the net like mad. It is delicious. I've made it with white sugar, I've made it with brown sugar, and the difference I found is that brown sugar gives it a bit of a caramelly taste. It's super easy. You can do it by hand, which takes more effort, and it'll take you about 10 minutes, or you can do it like I'm gonna do it with an electric whisk. So the recipe is equal amounts of sugar, water and instant coffee. In these instances I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Then all we have to do is whisk it for about 2 to 4 minutes. As you can see, it starts to get lighter as the air gets incorporated. This is what it looks like at the 1 minute mark. It's already getting really thick. We're gonna do it for another minute. And as you can see, the texture is thick, and you have peaks that form, and it falls. Look how reluctantly it falls off the whisk. That's when you know it's ready. Now we're gonna serve it. I like to serve over on milk over ice. Look at that. Look how it floats on top of the iced milk. On a hot summer's day, it's nothing like it. Delicious. Yum. Enjoy.